What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a video game console. Even though it's older, it still sells for a lot of money. What is the console, you may ask? It is a PlayStation 3. And to my knowledge, there are three models of PS3s. There is the original fat model, there is the slim model, and there is the super slim model. And there's two models I recommend you pick up if you see them. These models are the slim, not the super slim, because those don't typically go for a good amount, but the slims and the fat backwards compatible model. The backwards compatible model goes for close to double what the normal model goes for, which is insane. And Steven, the guy I've mentioned in multiple videos, this is actually how me and him met. I had a backwards compatible bulk listing on Facebook. I think it was right around the time Rona actually started happening. It was back in March, or close to a year ago today. He drove down here from North Carolina, picked it up, I gave him my card, we talked, I gave him my phone number, and now he buys consistently bulk for me, which is awesome. But you want to make sure you look for those two models. You can typically find them on Facebook. I've never really found them at thrift stores or anywhere else. I'd look on Facebook because a lot of the times people don't know that the backwards compatible model goes for a lot, or they just think, oh, it's a PS3, this system is 15 years old. Let me just throw it up there for $40. And even if you buy it for $40, depending on the model, you can sell it for over $100 plus shipping. Make sure too, when you sell these, you test it in depth. There are going to be a lot of issues when it comes to video game consoles. The Bluetooth with the controller chip could be messed up. The wireless card inside could be messed up. It might not be able to connect to internet. The disk drive could be messed up. It could overheat. The HDMI could be messed up. There's a bunch of things that can be wrong with systems, especially the older ones because of their age. So make sure if you pick one up, you test it in depth. And the PS3s could be a pain to ship because they got that rounded top and they're kind of an awkward shape. The slims aren't too bad. You just wrap it in bubble wrap, very similar to any other gaming system. But when it comes to the PS3 fat models, you want to make sure you put a lot of bubble wrap on it. Make sure you take great care of it. Make sure you stuff it. If you have actual styrofoam boards, I recommend you putting that to help cushion it because the fat models are very heavy and they're typically worth the most money if you have the backwards compatible version. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and keep flipping.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil' homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist, fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit, I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with a flow.